The years have passed, the winds have blown, since first I saw you there. With feet apart, to the music moved your brighter red curling hair. The spotlight shone in colours bright, reflecting on your face. The music notes so sweet and clear in the spirit of your rays. Your songs told tales of peace and joy, of sorrow and of love. The power and passion of your voice soared heavenly above. And from the inner soul and heart, with emotion in each song, you stirred the hearts of many, Luke, when you sang of right and wrong. The humour of those laughing eyes was shared in full with all, when you chose the songs to lift the hearts that filled the music hall. The ecstasy and joy was felt in chorus, clap and cheer, when the son of Roisin took the stage, the king of balladeers. I saw you sing 1,000 times, 10,000 songs or more. I still can clearly hear your voice, though your time with us is o'er. For memories are all we have when we think of you today. Your name we'll always honour, Luke, weird land you passed this way.